Today we are discussing how recipes are standardized for a specific operation. As mentioned last week, the yield is the number of servings that a recipe produces. Depending on the item and how much is needed, a cook may prepare one serving or hundreds at a time. Calculations can be done to increase or decrease the serving size and/or the number of portions produced. In each case, a recipe conversion factor, or RCF, is calculated. This is basically just a ratio of the current amount to the desired amount. The amount of each ingredient is then multiplied by the RCF to determine the quantity required for the converted recipe. Cooks in the United States must understand both metric, liters and grams, and standard U.S. customary units, teaspoons, ounces, cups, quarts, gallons, pounds, etc. Each food service establishment should select one system of measurement to use throughout their operation. Many recipes may originate in a country which uses the metric system. If a restaurant is using the standard U.S. customary units, all recipes should be converted to prevent confusion and ensure that kitchen staff has the correct measuring tools to prepare their recipes.